this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2015 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6377. It's run from the 12th 2012 to the 8th 2020. It has a CXSA 1.8 4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CXSA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no damage, left rear door no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, left boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater, AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,